Hello. So I have this project. It's just a small little project I'm doing today, and I'm just going to put in the wood joist just to make it look a little better. So basically, we want to cut these. So we just put this in as a flat section. I have it in as inch and three quarter by 10 inch. So it's a 2 by 10 joist. Now this could be 9.5, right? But 10 will do me for now. So you want to go to naming, and what's going to happen, actually what I'll do is I'll start this again. So if we want to come in here, and we'll go from here over 12 inches, and we'll go all the way in the Z direction because that is the way I have my UCS oriented. And we can see it's come in because I put it in the last time like this. So we're just going to get the position right and rotate it around. Sorry. Last time lucky. And what we're going to do is naming. So what happens is if you go to the behavior and try and turn off these, what happens is you're going to end up, after numbering, this will end up getting the main part. So you need to come in here and define as main part, and then go back here, and you can see the behavior allows you to untick these boxes. We can leave it available for structural clashes and section of material, and we'll go to timber, and we'll just say pine, right? So we'll make it pine, and then I'm going to select it. Now if I do select similar, it's going to pick all the beams because it's on the beam layer. So select that and come down here and just go to timber beams. Now I want to cut this, so I don't really need to, but there's no, if it only takes a second, we might as well have this cut properly. So let's select that, select this, and you can see it has put a cut in that. Now what I want to do is we want to make a 1/2 inch space, and we'll do chasing. Alright, so there you go. So it's not perfect, but it's not clashing, so we're not going to run into a clash check issue with that. So what we'll do now is we can copy this. So we'll just use this copy command. We'll copy it to that end, and in turn we can copy this, top of that post, top of that post. You can see it's got a different cut on that end. So what we do is, probably, you should have copied that first, right? So, but it's fine. We'll just go through the process. We can just delete that. Delete that. Now we can see we didn't copy that correct, so I copied that wrong. So I'm going to move it from here up to here. That's fine. And this one is over 4 inches over this way. So 4 inches. And we'll go and collect this one here. We'll copy that. Oh, I picked the wrong beam first. I want to pick the one that I want to cut first. And we picked the wrong one again. Advanced joint properties. And let's copy this again. So you can see it's cut all the way around here, but we'll just come down, we'll trim to system line. So to this system line, we'll trim that, and that's good. So now what we're going to do is I'm actually going to delete this because I don't want this welded to it, and I don't need that to be intelligent anymore. So Advanced joint properties. Okay, delete those. Now, you don't have to delete them. I like to delete them. Just feel like sometimes things like that mess up the model a little bit. Alright, so they're all deleted. So what we'll do now is we're going to have a double joist over here. So we're going to copy these and we're going to array them, and we're going to have 8 pieces, and we're going to go 12 inches, and there you go. And then we're going to copy the last one over 1.75 because that's a double header, and then we're going to select similar, and we'll remove that one from the selection. And my UCS is not correct, so let's go back, set the UCS to world, select similar, turn off that, come back in here, and we want to go to mirror, select mirror points. I don't know if this is exactly in the middle, so I'm going to pick the middle of the 2 columns and then go this away, snap it in, preview, there's all my joists, okay. And now I'm going to select this one and copy. Now I can do the same thing and just array these, or I can select this and come in here and do the same thing by copying, and I'm going to reset that, and let's do 15, 16 maybe. Let's guess it's 16, and we want to go in the minus X direction. So minus 16. Okay, if I do okay, it puts them all in instead of previewing them. I have one extra one in there, delete it. Let's select similar, and let's turn off features because we can see the features here, and that's going to slow down the model a little bit. So let's just go back to the regular view, and that's it. And that's all putting your wood in, and these were all copied. So if I go to behavior, you can see these are all unticked. So if I go to number, it will not number any of those. Alright, hope that helps. Bye bye.